Well, Prale and I are back at it again. We're gonna spend some time on the old Mississippi. He's taking us to the promised lands again. We got several hours that we're gonna put in for this evening. Gonna target some flatted catfish. Got some primo baits and got a number of different places to pick out in hopes to find a big one. So hopefully a big one plays and we'll see what happens. It's going down.
That's about as deep as it's gonna get. You want to fish like up in here somewhere? What are you thinking?
Yeah.
Or there's big marks down there on the bottom.
Maybe try to go from like here to here.
Yeah.
Down periscope. All right. Thank you. Whoa, easy. They're so slippery. All right. Let's see here. Down you go. Yeah, we got a tangle. Now we're good. Jeez. There's the bottom. All right. Bon voyage. Okay. There we go. Now we're that'd be talking. That's better. Just a little bit. All right, so we got our lines are in the water. Suckers are, some of our biggest suckers are down on the bottom right now, and we're in like a 40-foot hole. And we got a bunch of duck hunters, which is cool. But they're firing it up right now. They're shooting up a whole squadron of ducks. So, good for them. I mean, it could have just been your bait, but.
You know, back here in the Mississippi.
See?
Oh, yeah. Or turtle. Back in the Mississippi here, though, there's.
All right, what's going on here?
It might be going. I think it's going. I think I should, yeah. I think I should get him.
Oh, ooh, so, yeah. It's a pike. All right. Yeah, no, it's good. I guess we kind of said it like it was a bad thing, I guess. Yeah. Oh, jeez. Oh, beautiful. Hold on here. I felt it.
See ya.
Took one to the face.
Did it hit you?
Oh man.
Smacked you in the face.
Hit me like a butterfly. Stung like a bee.
Dang it, I was hoping for a flat. There's a little point that comes out and then there's a hole behind it down in here.
Okay.
So that's the spot I marked.
Let's check that one out.
And then there's...
So I wonder if that moon is rising or if it's setting. Probably be worth finding out. Well, I'll be there, Prowley. Looks like you're on. Feels decent there?
Yeah, this feels better.
Better. All right, do you want me to reel this one up right here?
I'm good.
Do you want any of the other ones in?
Can you just move these two long ones so I can get around them?
These, yeah. You coming over there? Here then? All right, good. Whew. Shit. What was I thinking? Sorry. Oh, that's a big one. That's a huge channel cat. Okay, all right.
I thought I was spiky.
Holy, wow. I know, wow. Holy, wow. That's, I think, the second biggest one I've ever seen. Whew. Wow. Gee.
That's a big dog.
You want me to grab him quick? Here,
Got it.
there you go. I can get the hook right now. I can do it right now. Look, he's got other line in him. Yeah.
Oh, you got somebody's that was pretty little line in him.
Okay.
Can you move that?
There we go.
I got him.
Got it.
Freaking catfish.
That's a big one.
I want a photo of this one.
We will. Let me get my phone. Okay, I got my phone.
I'm gonna weigh it too. Let's see the pictures quick first.
All right. I mean, jeepers.
That's a tanker.
Okay, let's see what it weighs. I'm gonna go. What do you guess? I'm gonna go 17.
I'm going 18.
18. I'm gonna go 17. I think we both might be wrong. What do we got?
Yeah, I think we're both wrong. 16 on it. 17.
Well, that's a heck of a good fish. So this is a channel catfish, not the target species that we're quite after.
Not a blue.
Not a blue, no. But that is a beautiful fish. I mean, for a channel catfish, just old, very old fish.
Let it go, buddy. I'm gonna let you go.
Nice. Nice catch. Oh, they're like right in there. I can see them.
Good.
Well,
Off my mark. Let's just scoot into it. 29 feet in the back here.
let's do this.
I would be interested to see which way the boat swings.
Oh my goodness. Look at that. Are these your cherries?
Well,
Wow. Man, what a treat. Yeah.
yeah. See how they're coming up that. I think that's where the shot.
Yeah, look like there's something in there. I mean, on each hump, they look like it might be active fish too, because they're like right in the center.
I always think of that. I can use that for a reference at some point, you know.
Yeah. There's two big marks down there.
They look like catfish too, don't they?
Yeah, they do. All right. What do you want to do? Do you want me to come over yonder?
I can come over out there.
Yeah. You think you can get them over here? Do you want me to? All right. All right.
Same current too, you know.
Yeah. Let's get some. He's like, I see it. I see the light. I'm coming. How's he hooked? He's a nice one.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Oh.
It's growing. I'm trying to keep my line.
All right. He's not quite ready yet, is he?
I'm trying to keep my eyes in your line.
I gotcha. Ready when you are.
Since he's a good line.
Got him. Nice work. I got my pliers ready.
Right here. Here. Good. Thank you. Go through here and then we'll be out of you too, I think.
Okay. All right. So there that is. There we go. What do you think? I'm gonna go 13? 13?
12, 13.
Yeah.
13.
Cool. Jeez, I'm spot on tonight, huh?
Luke Irving became scale.
Yeah.
It's not a bad fish.
No. Take a little look at him. Yeah, not bad at all. Nice catch. Just a healthy channel cat. 13. There we go. I guess we get this out of the way and at one point straight down going. Nice work. Good job.